Hello friends, I am Advocate Abhishek Matkar and I welcome you all to an all new episode of Law Pe Charcha. Today our lives have been completely consumed by social media. While social media has its own advantages, there is one major problem with it which the entire world is facing today, and that is the rampant spread of fake news and false or misleading information through social media. Even in the current pandemic situation, we have seen that there is a lot of misinformation being spread about the virus, the treatment methods, and many other things. The sad part is that even the law and the judiciary have not been spared from this pandemic of misinformation. Sometimes people make up their own legal provisions and pass them off by saying that this has been decided by the Supreme Court of India. Or when any law is amended or a circular is issued by the government, what the average person reads on Facebook or WhatsApp is either only half the truth or a complete distortion of reality. So, at Law Pe Charcha, we feel that it is our responsibility to bust these myths and present the facts before you. And that is why today we are starting with a new series called the Mythbuster series. So, let's begin. So today I will be talking about one such forwarded message which was doing the rounds on WhatsApp recently. It had the title Conveyance Deed Cancelled. This message claimed that the Maharashtra State Cabinet has approved a decision and very soon a new law will be passed to surpass the procedure of conveyance deed. It further went on to say that now you can enjoy ownership of land along with ownership of your flat. So this created a lot of confusion and panic, and the situation got even worse when housing society members started circulating this message. In fact, I came across a few advocates who were forwarding this message. So, what exactly is the truth behind this? Let us find out. Presently, in the state of Maharashtra, the ownership of any particular land is reflected on the 712 extract in rural areas, while in urban areas like Mumbai, it is reflected on the property registration card or the PR card. But what about the buildings or the apartments which are standing on that land? Until now, there was no method to keep a common record of the transfer of ownership of any particular flat or a shop which is standing in the building or a commercial complex. And that is why, in August 2019, the Maharashtra State Cabinet principally approved a decision to introduce vertical property rules. Under these rules, a database will be created of all the buildings, flats, commercial complexes, and apartments in the state of Maharashtra. And when these rules are finally pressed into operation, property buyers will get an additional or a supplementary PR card which will have details like ownership, amenity space, carpet area, and information on bank loans. So, this supplementary PR card will basically contain the entire chain of transactions or agreements in respect of a particular flat or a shop. This will make it very easy for buyers to verify the title of the seller and to see if there is any mortgage or other charge created over the property. It will also help banks and financial institutions to prevent fraudulent transactions, like when a person creates multiple mortgages over the same flat with two different banks. But please remember, this decision has nothing to do with the procedure of conveyance deed. So, what exactly is conveyance? Conveyance is the transfer of ownership of land in favor of the housing society by the owner of that land or by the builder. Under the Maharashtra Ownership Flats Act, it is the duty of the promoter or landowner to execute a conveyance deed within 4 months from the registration of the housing society. Failure to do so is a punishable offence under these acts. Also, if you see the model bylaws for housing societies which are framed under the Maharashtra Cooperative Societies Act, then it says that the object of the society is to obtain the conveyance of the right, title and interest in the land along with the building standing thereon from the owner or the builder. But the ground reality is that in many societies in Maharashtra, the members and in fact even the office bearers are not fully aware of the importance of the conveyance deed. And the real problem begins when the society wants to go for redevelopment and the conveyance has not been executed. Many a times, builders are reluctant or they refuse to execute a conveyance in favor of the society. And in such cases, the society has multiple legal remedies available to it. But the most commonly used remedy is to make an application to the competent authority to obtain a deemed conveyance of the land. So the bottom line is that the law relating to conveyance or deemed conveyance has not been changed or altered by this decision of the cabinet. Even today, it is obligatory and mandatory upon the builders or the landowner to execute a conveyance deed of the land in favor of the housing society. And if that is not done, then the society has options available to it, including obtaining a deemed conveyance. So it is really unfortunate that at a time when it is necessary to inform and educate more and more people about the importance of a conveyance deed or a deemed conveyance, there are such social media posts which tend to mislead people under the pretext of a government directive or a court order. And so far as the cabinet decision of introducing vertical property rules is concerned, as and when it is finally approved, it will certainly be beneficial to home buyers and banks as they can trace the ownership of any flat before buying it or before issuing a loan against it. So that's all for today. I hope this video will clear up all the confusion created by that message. Do like this video and share it with as many people as possible so that they can battle this pandemic of misinformation. And if you come across any such misleading social media posts, then let us know in the comment section and we will try to make a video on that as well. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified. Thank you and keep watching Law Pe Charcha, Simplifying the Law.